We are the future. As high school seniors and college seniors, ages 17 to 24, we are the age group that will shape the years to come. Yet we are also the age group that takes care of themselves the least. With higher rates of stress, mental health issues, and addiction, our lives are increasingly messier than other generations. We spend more hours studying than sleeping, which often leads to issues on its own. Within our age group, anxiety, stress, and depression are all extremely prevalent and have increased our medication intake. At our stage in life, underage drinking is a social norm that we often take on as a rite of passage to adulthood. We are told that the consumption of alcohol and the taking of drugs like weed or LSD are needed to have fun and necessary activities for college and high school experiences. Because after our long nights of studying and our countless hours, we often find that we need to let loose by drinking and doing drugs. The pressure from peers and our society have encouraged us to use these as stress relievers. But there are other ways that we can healthily relieve our stress. However, we will need to make a change that will not be easy but is indeed necessary. We can do this by exercising and eating healthy, by helping one another to do the same. By setting an example for others, exercising and a healthier diet will not only help with our stressors and aid in relieving our minds, but it will also help with alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety, as working out has been found to release feel-good endorphins that promote mental stability and overall well-being. In order to encourage a healthy lifestyle, we must be an example for our friends, co-workers, siblings, and classmates, and tell them that we can make a difference, that we do not need to comply with social norms, that a change is coming, and that we can be the front runners of this change. We can continue to emphasize the idea that exercising is cool and beneficial, and that if we make time to exercise, we can reduce our stress as well as our need to take medications for anxiety and depression. Additionally, we promote the idea that working out is something that will make us feel good about ourselves, and that we can do this with a collective, collaborative teaching each other and just exactly how working out and eating healthy has benefited our lives. Through the examples we set in our own lives, we may end up impacting the lives of others. Working out is not something hard. It is something that we need and something that will help us. Physical activity may reduce our need for drinking or doing drugs for fun, instead of allowing us to participate in other activities for our enjoyment and entertainment. With a healthier lifestyle and a collective effort, we can change the social norm of underage drinking. All of these changes will not happen rapidly, but over time we can change our lives and our futures. So go out, tell your friends, your peers, your siblings that exercising is a beneficial activity, that we help them craft healthier and happier versions of their lives. We are the future, and it is important to start caring for ourselves.